Gilai Mamundo, a tranquil haven in Bajaur Agency, Pakistan. Nestled amidst the rugged beauty of Bajaur Agency in Pakistan lies the enchanting village of Gilai Mamundo, a hidden gem that captivates visitors with its natural splendor and serenity. Surrounded by majestic mountains, lush valleys, and crystal-clear streams, this village stands as a testament to the untamed beauty of the region. Landscape. Gilai Mamundo is embraced by verdant hills and dales, where every inch of land is adorned with a vibrant tapestry of wildflowers, creating a kaleidoscope of colors that change with the seasons. The village is cocooned by emerald green meadows that stretch as far as the eye can see, providing a picturesque backdrop against the towering peaks that guard this pastoral sanctuary. Flora and fauna. The air in Gilai Mamundo is perfumed with the fragrance of blooming flowers, as the village is home to a diverse range of flora. Cherry blossoms, daisies, and orchids paint the landscape with their vivid hues, creating a haven for butterflies and bees. The melodious chirping of birds, including the rare Himalayan monal, resonates through the air, adding a symphony of nature's sounds to the tranquil ambiance. Waterways. Gilai Mamundo is blessed with pristine waterways that meander through the village, reflecting the azure sky above. Crystal-clear streams, fed by the melting snow from the surrounding peaks, weave their way through the village, offering refreshing oases for both villagers and the abundant wildlife. The gentle murmur of these streams complements the peaceful atmosphere, creating a melody that harmonizes with the village's natural charm. Architecture. The architecture of Gilai Mamundo echoes the simplicity and resilience of the local culture. Traditional stone houses with intricately carved wooden doors are scattered across the landscape, seamlessly blending with the natural surroundings. The villagers, known for their warmth and hospitality, have preserved their age-old customs and crafts, further enriching the cultural tapestry of this charming haven. Cultural richness. Gilai Mamundo is not only a visual delight but also a cradle of cultural richness. The villagers, deeply rooted in their traditions, celebrate local festivals with zest and zeal, inviting visitors to partake in the vibrant tapestry of their customs. The air is often filled with the rhythm of traditional music and the aroma of local delicacies during festive occasions. In Gilai Mamundo, time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the tranquil beauty of nature and experience the genuine hospitality of its inhabitants. This village, hidden away in the folds of Bajaur Agency, stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature, inviting all who venture there to discover the untouched allure of a truly remarkable place.